Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we're going to be practicing the verb gustar, which means to like in Spanish. Before we start going through this, there's a link to the crossword puzzle that you can see in the description of the video, and you can just click that link and open it up. It can be on your phone or computer, doesn't matter. And you can do the crossword first, and then you can, if you're not sure why one is wrong, then continue watching the video, and I'll explain every answer so you can understand why each answer is the way it is. So each sentence has two missing words in the middle of it. The first word for each sentence is either going to be me, te, le, nos, or lace. And then the second word will be either gusta or gustan. If you haven't learned how to use this verb yet, there's also a link in the description of the video that will take you to a live in-class lesson that I gave a few years ago. So pause the video now if you want to do this first. Otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and start getting right into the answers. All right, we'll start here with one down. So, a los estudiantes will be les gusta, and it's gusta because listening to music is just one thing. Number two, a usted le gustan, and gustan is plural because los cuadernos is plural. So that's you like the notebooks. Tres horizontal, three across. A nosotros nos gustan. We like the backpacks. Backpacks is plural. That's why I'll use gustan. Cuatro vertical, a mí me gustan. Again, gustan because pens, las plumas, are plural. Cinco, a mi amigo le gusta el lápiz. He likes the pencil. Seis, a ti te gusta el libro. You like the book. Another seis, but this time down. A ti te gustan las materias. You like the subjects. Siete, a mi amigo y a mí nos. We like to dance. Nos gusta bailar. Ocho, a mí me gusta la clase. And finally, número nueve, a ellas les gustan las computadoras. Main thing here to keep in mind is that the first word determines who it is that likes something. That's the me, te, le, nos, les. And the second word will be gusta if it's one thing you like, or it's one thing the person likes, and gustan if it's multiple things that are liked. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by, watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.